got iMac 2020 27 inch 5K Retina, and really awesome. I'm excited about it. So I'll do the unboxing, see what we got. All right. Yeah, that's my best part. Same old unboxing. Keyboard. Keyboard. Stickers and mats. Magic Mice. Stickers, cable, charging cable, and maybe they don't. I think the unboxing. Cable. So we have the I/O ports, the audio jack, SD card, 4 USB 3, 2 Type C 3, and 10 gigabyte Ethernet cable, and the same design, and with the possibility to upgrade from here. Just push the button over here, that gate, and so it came with a 16 gig, and let's see, 1 terabyte SSD, and 5K Retina Nano. This is really, I want to see how it look like. So that's the Apple matte version. I want to see how it look like, and I like the matte. I don't like seeing any glare or anything. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, the glass is fine, but it's matte with no reflection. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really awesome. Thought that's gonna be a good option. Yep, really good. Slick design. It is really big. That's perfect size. Alrighty, time to turn it on. So I did the upgrade for the nano uh, glass for the display because I don't like the kind of the glass, you know, reflection, the glare when there's. I have two windows on my office, and always the lights.
The main language. Press the return key.
Always the lights reflect, and I hate it. So the nano. I check it, it's really good, and yes, I see the difference. It doesn't even feel like really matte, just like it's glass, but no reflection, and I love it. It's really cool. Love that option. So I don't know about you, if it's worth it that 500 to do that upgrade. Just the regular stuff, just set it up.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader.
So I'll back to you guys after I finish the setup and just the regular stuff, and back to you shortly. Alrighty, so finished the installation, update the OS X and everything, and set up the account. And I did a couple of tests about it for the videos and all these stuff, and I was really impressed with this model. Again, this one 5K 2020 and 27-inch, and the matte, the nano matte, is really I'm impressed with it, and it's a really good option. You know, check the light, there's no reflection, no nothing. It doesn't affect the screen, and really smooth, and it's really good. A shout out to Apple. That's good, good option to have. And I checked the sound. They did a lot of improvement with the sound. The bass really cool. I tested out. Let me listen to a couple of one song over here. Is really powerful. The bass is really awesome, and I love it. And so as far the sound, it's really good. The bass and really the speakers are really good. What they did improvement on the camera, which is really cool, is 1080p, and you cannot ask for more. It's really pressing features. I tested it out. It's really good, and the picture is really crisp. And they have the T2 chipset, so it adjusts the light. So for instance, most of us you know, doing Zoom meeting, whatever, so the new feature for that is adjust the light and give you perfect crisp picture, and really good, and we cannot ask for more. And this one is a 3.6 10 core Intel Core i9, and I purchased with the 16 gig DDR4 and 1 terabyte SSD, which is really good. You can upgrade it up to 8 terabyte, and as far the RAM have 4 slots, so they put 8 and 8, so that's 16, so there is 2 slots extra, so you can add whatever you want, as you know, as long to be is 128 gigabyte, and it's have the same ports for USB Type 3 port, and 2 USB Type C 3, and SD card, and audio jack, and 10 gigabyte Ethernet cable, and this design is really slick, and I love it. And so guys, if you enjoyed the video, and put your comments and like, and tell me what do you think about the new version, the new model for the 2021, after they you know, this one technically they're gonna be the last one with a Intel chipset. So the next version, the next model, gonna be Apple chipset. So really interesting to know what the changes. So guys, put yours, you know, your thought over there, and let us know what do you think. Hopefully one of you are gonna be right about what they expecting about the new model. And again, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoy it. Please click like or subscribe, and for next video. Thank you very much.